Hello everyone, the third generation Porsche Panamera fastback is preparing for its world premiere on November 24. The new Porsche Panamera will have a modernized interior with a variety of touchscreen controls. The model will be offered only with hybrid powertrains. The interior of a new Porsche Panamera is designed in the style of a Taycan electric vehicle. Many traditional controls were abandoned and replaced with 3 displays. At the front is a 12.6-inch instrumented panel, which is complemented by a central touchscreen. There is also a separate display for the front passenger. A separate display is available for the rear passengers. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.